Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads into Kvcore and losing precious time? In this video, you'll discover how to seamlessly integrate Facebook lead ads with Kvcore, automating lead capture and follow-up for maximum ROI. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketplace tab on the left-hand side menu. Here, search for the Facebook lead ads integration. Once you find it, click on the Get This button. This will initiate the connection process. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Be sure you are logging into the account with admin access to the Facebook business page connected to your lead ads. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Kvcore the necessary permissions to access your lead ad information. Next, you'll need to select the specific Facebook page associated with your lead ads from the drop-down menu within Kvcore. Make sure you choose the correct page to ensure accurate lead capture. Now, customize your lead mapping settings. This allows you to match fields from your Facebook lead ads to the corresponding fields in Kvcore, ensuring accurate data transfer. You can also set up automated responses to immediately engage with your new leads. Once everything is set up, new leads generated from your Facebook lead ads will automatically appear in your Kvcore CRM, triggering your preset follow-up sequences. Now you can quickly engage with interested prospects and convert them into clients.